Hello guys, I'm Zora from Box. Today I'm going to talk about evolution of electronics enclosure. Electronics enclosure are box-like structures that are designed to protect and enclose electronic components in any environment and prevent electronic shock. Enclosures are typically made of hard plastic or metal such as steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. These IP-rated standard enclosures are tough, strong, and flexible. It can be installed anywhere, on walls, bookshelves, and machines. And transformation of electronics enclosure. In 1967, the transformation of industrial electronics enclosure started. A client approached a German businessman Lowe's, and the client needed to be empty secured enclosure for a switch. Nothing was suitable then, so Lowe's changed the limit switch box to include a small limited switch and at both ends added cable glides. Rumors quickly spread, and in the early 1970s, Lowe's moved his expanded enclosure business to larger premises. During the 1970s and 1980s, Lowe's developed enclosure revolution that set the standard today. And in 1986, he founded the new firm Lowe's. IP68 rated. The simplest secured enclosure is something like Lowe's, an aluminum KO and IP68 rated. This die-casting aluminum enclosure has been the worldwide standard since its inception. This type of enclosure is perfect for preparing all kinds of electronics and electronic components. The base has threaded screw embosses for the printed screw board, preparing rails, and preparing plate. Other options comprise of lead supports, hinges, EMC, and shed and mounting rails. Die-cast enclosures. Next are die-cast enclosures developed to give the solution of how to preserve the particularly fragile EMC shading gaskets. In the past, the routine opening of the lid for inspection could have broken these seals. Lowe's solution was to do with the EMC gasket entirely. Its fitted case protection class IP66, IP67 rated has an integrated EMC shell designed by a patent tilted system percast on the cover and the base. Electronics enclosure at Box. Box make electronic enclosure with various IP ratings. When looking for an electronics enclosure factory for customer enclosures, you should consider various aspects of enclosure design, including size, materials, rating system, act. It is very important to know the properties, strength, and weakness of each material. The designers and engineers typically select components for aluminum electronic enclosure according to the required specification and the specific features of the device. Box manufactures H, J, and K series electronic enclosures. They are professional aluminum extrusion and enclosure electronics manufacturer with 3 strong teams: a designer team skilled in molding, a professional business team, and an after-service team for quality control, stylish design aluminum housing with aluminum profile. Ideal for FA control boxes, network equipment, measuring equipment, audio amplifiers, act. Mobile housing, hinge housing, title housing, and flash housing are available. Yongwu Box leads the market in manufacturing enclosures with cost-effective protection with its wide range of electronic enclosures. These electronic enclosures have an unique characteristics that individual may be the ideal comeback to your electronic enclosure needs. And see you next time. Bye bye.